Welcome to Tech It's Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets techniques. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 10. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your location on the Bigo Live application. For that, open your Bigo Live application. Below, you will see various icons. Click on that Me icon, then click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on here, you will reach this page. Here, click on that pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will find this space. Scroll down, and you will see the hometown option in the information section. Click on it, choose the country you want to set. After selecting the country you want to change, click on Confirm at the top right of the screen, and you are all done. You have successfully changed the location on Bigo Live. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.